What is the difference between an array and an array list? An array has a fixed size, meaning once you create it, you cannot change its size. It can hold primitive data types such as int, double, and objects. An array list is flexible and can either grow or shrink as needed. It only holds objects and offers useful methods such as add, remove, and get. Array lists are easier to use when the number of elements can change. Number 2, what does it mean to tokenize? Tokenizing means splitting a string into smaller pieces called tokens. It's usually based on a specific separator like a colon or space. In this homework, we split each line from the file using a colon to get the inventor's name, invention, year, net worth, and the field. Number 3, describe the program you wrote for the homework. Part A, describe the purpose of each class. So the inventor class, this class stores information about the inventor, like their name, invention, year, field, net worth. It also keeps account of how many inventors have been added. The inventor directory class is the main part of the program. It reads data from a file, create inventor objects, and prints out the details in a table. Part B, describe the purpose of each method. So the inventor, string s name, string s invention. This is a constructor that sets the name and invention of the inventor. It also increases the count of inventors as needed. The getters and setters, such as get name, get year, and so on, are methods used to get or set the values of the inventor's attributes. Then next we have the read file content array list. It reads the file inventors.txt line by line and stores each line in the file content list. It also checks if the file exists before it starts reading. Then we have the tokenize and add inventors. It splits each line into tokens, such as by name, invention, year, net worth, field, and then it creates an inventor object and sets its attributes. Also adds the inventor to the list. And then we have the print investors directory. This just prints a table showing all the inventor's details using the getter methods. Part C, describe each variable. So S name is the name of the inventor, and year is the invention, the year the invention was made. Invention, S invention is the name of the invention. S computer field is the computer related field of the invention. D net worth is the inventor's net worth. N number in inventors is it keeps track of the total number of inventors created. File content stores the lines read from the file, and then inventors stores the list of inventor objects. Alright, part D, describe each if-else statement. So first one we have is in the read file content. We check if the file exists. If it does, the program reads the file. This avoids errors when the file is missing. And then for the tokenize and then add inventors, we use the if-else statements to set the computer field. If the field is programming, we set it to computer programming. If the field is machine, we set it to computer science. Otherwise, we just use the field value as it is. Part E, describe each loop. So this one, for the while loop in read file content, it reads each line in the file until there are no more lines to read. Then it adds them to the file content. And then the last one we have is for the for loop in print inventors directory. It goes through each inventor in the list and prints their details using getter methods. And then for part F, describe any other relevant code. I didn't really add anything much besides just a scanner to close scanner to prevent getting stuck, and that's about it. So thank you.